Hello guys, good morning. Today is March 6, 2021. Time check, it's already 10:35. We're here now in Ain Zoo. Pinasyal namin si Robbie kasi medyo nainip na siya dun sa accommodation. Mag 1 week na kami tomorrow. So naisipan namin pasyal siya dito sa zoo.
Woo! Hello!
Is it nice there? Enjoy there?
Yeah, so fun.
Yan yung gustong gusto niya eh. Maglaro na maglaro.
Daddy!
Dito.
Hinggan namin kayo ng konting tour para makita nyo yung mga animals dito sa Ain Zoo.
Oh, that's cute.
What animal is this? What is this, Robbie? This ganza?
Ganja.
Ganza.
So they have fun right there in that dirty, yucky water. Look. Come on. Wait for me. Oh, it's so big.
What is that one?
We're big.
What is that? Emu. This one we called emu.
They're big.
It is, yeah, this one.
Yeah,
Dromouses. Ano ba? Hindi ko mabasa. Mahirap. Ano tayo dyan.
they're so cute.
Basahin natin. The emu is the second largest living bird by height after the ostrich. Knowledge power. See how big it is? It's a family of ostrich.
Let's go, Daddy.
Here inside, Ruby, come here.
Yeah, this side, Robbie.
Let's go inside, everybody.
Let's check what's inside. And what is this one? What do you call this one?
What's this? Daddy.
This is the birds. And this is the African gray parrot. One of the most intelligent birds and can live up to 60 years in captivity. Wow. Long years, huh? What is that? What do you see there? Turtle? Let me see. Oh wow, you can see the turtle. Oh, there's a turtle.
He is moving. I
how
see
many
the head
turtles?
moving. See? Ship them. Maybe there's more inside the house.
Yeah.
Oh, enough.
What else we can see here? You see even the plants is nice. What do you call this one, Daddy? This is the anaha display. Yeah. We have other kinds of bird here. This is the cockatiel. I don't know. Bala sa pronunciation. Yeah, this is Gina fig. Gina fig. Despite their name, they are not pigs and do not come from Guinea.
Mom, they're eating carrot.
Which one? What is that?
Rabbit.
Oh, there's the rabbit. Rabbit. You can see the rabbit
They
here.
eat a lot of fruits right
Oh, they have a lot of fruits. Different fruits. See what they have?
there.
They have apple,
pomegranate.
pomegranate, and carrots. And
Don't forget to my
they have also the leaves. What leaves is that?
lettuce. I think it's lettuce.
Spinach.
No, that's not spinach.
Yeah, it's a spinach.
No, it's lettuce.
Here, let me go. We got the other side. We check what else we have there.
Oh, they're so
You
cute.
see the goat there. This side.
Wow, look
Those are the goat.
Daddy, Mommy, the bunny was so cute.
What? See the goat? Oh, there's a chicken inside as well. Daddy, pansabong oh. You see the chicken?
Filipino chicken yun, di ba?
Oh, look.
Pansab. Oh, this one is nice. See?
What is that?
Wow. What do you call this one, Daddy? Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's see. What?
Let's go.
Because I forgot. This is a peafowl. Oh, let me see.
The peacock.
Peacock.
That one. That
Oh,
one
let's
has.
see. How nice the feather is. See? Oh, see?
But guys, always remember
Yeah.
to enjoy this
Oh, nice,
video.
huh? You see that one? Oh, see, it's moving. See? It's
they're
open
turning
wide.
around.
Turning around. Turn here. Turn here. I want to see.
Hello.
See?
It's
How
color
nice the
blue.
feather, yeah.
It's color
See,
blue.
how
It's
nice the
color
feather
blue.
is. Wait. I'll go on this side, huh?
Going down.
Oh. Can you please open your feather again? Open it. Open it one more time. I want to see.
No, they don't want to
Huh?
open it anymore.
Why?
They don't want to open it.
See how nice the feather.
They don't want to open it. Let's go.
It's a peacock, yes. Let's see what else they have here. Medyo malawak-lawak yung place na to. Mahaba-haba yung lalakadin namin para makita namin lahat ng klase ng animals living here in the zoo. Let's go find and check what else they have here. We'll see, ha? It's a little bit medyo parang nasa kagubatan tayo. We're in the jungle. I'm walking on the jungle. I'm walking on the jungle.
I can see.
Oh,
Let's go this one. I want to see.
what can you see there, Daddy? Do you see anything? Check out. Do you see me?
I can't see anything.
You can see anything?
Yeah, let's go up.
Oh, let's see Daddy, oh. Hey, Daddy! What do you see there? Okay, let's go other side, Daddy. Let's just check another things there, that side. Rabik, this side, where are you? Go on this side. Saan ba tayo galing tayo doon? Dito tayo?
I don't see anything.
Huh?
Oh,
No, we're just going to other side.
it's only in the dark.
Hmm?
Daddy,
Hmm.
what is that?
I don't know.
Daddy, let's go.
I'm walking on the jungle. I'm walking on the jungle. You can see how nice the place is.
Zoo. Let's go there.
Where? Which side? Rabik, come here. This side, Rabik.
What is that?
And this one. This is what they call the discovery, children's discovery area.
Let's go there.
Oh, what is that? Spin the wheel. Spin the wheel. You will win. What prize you want to win? Spin the wheel. It's turning. Try to spin it.
Kahoy namang totoo man.
No, the other side, it's a rock. This one maybe, no.
Kahoy totoo kahoy.
You see, nakikita niyo ba yan, puno na yan? I don't know if it's natural or
Wait, Daddy, I want to see.
made of rocks. You can see how big.
I don't see anything. Here. Daddy, look. Daddy, what is that?
It's an artificial.
Artificial, ha? See, I told you.
Artificial.
It's an artificial one.
Go here.
We're now here in the giraffe area section.
Look,
Dati daw meron dito yung okay na ipipid mo yung ano.
Bring mo.
Zebra. Ano? What do you call this one? It's not a zebra. What do you call that one? Giraffe, I forgot. Bawal na daw mag-feed ngayon dito ng ano. Giraffe kasi ng gawa ng pandemic. I'll show you the giraffe. It's a little bit far. There, as you can see. It's a big place. It is a big area for the giraffe. Where's the giraffe? Oh, masyadong malayo. There. You can see. Makita nyo gaano kalaki yung area. Oh, si Robic. Oh, nagano si Robic din ah. Nag-telescope na si Robic.
This look like Rubik.
Look, may isa pa!
Yeah, I see.
This look like Rubik.
Tatlo sila!
Matangkad lang pero maliit lang ang katawan. Rubik, where you are? Ay, sus.
Ang ganda. Laki.
Rubik!
Go, 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 Robic. Oh, he wants to eat you. Ah, he's going to eat you. Oh, it's big. Yeah, go, go with daddy. That's the last part of our tour. Medyo pagod. Nagantay lang kami ng shuttle para makapunta na kami sa parking area. It's almost 15 minutes before 1 o'clock from 10:30. Mababa din yung nilakad namin. It's a little bit tired na.
Di ah?
We're going home now. Oh, Robic is not yet tired. So if you like this video, please click like
And
subscribe
subscribe
our YouTube channel.
And don't forget to hit the
Notification bell.
notification bell.
Notification bell.
Notification
Notification bell.
notification bell.
Yes.
Bye guys.
Guys.